Hello everyone and Happy New Year to you all. My name is Javier. I also go by JR. I'm a Central Florida home gardener and also the co-owner of a small but humble operation that we call Stone River Nursery, where we specialize in growing apple trees for warm climates. As part of our New Year resolutions, we decided that we need to be a little bit more active on YouTube and providing more videos about the growing experience that we have as Central Florida gardeners. Our goal for 2026 is to make sure that we put at least one video per month. Some of those videos might be about information. Some of those videos might be, hey, we're gonna stroll around the garden and we're gonna show you what's growing, maybe some fruit, maybe some flowers. For those of you who are looking to grow your own fruits in 2026, home gardening is such an amazing endeavor. Personally, I find it very peaceful. It's also something that when I have to disconnect from the rest of the world and just go into my own space, looking at what's happening, maybe some flowers, maybe some fruit growing. This is something that brings me joy and it gives me inner peace. And you know what? Gardening isn't perfect and it isn't supposed to be. You're gonna have successes, you're gonna have failures. It's just like life. There are opportunities for learning, opportunities for growth, no pun intended for the fruit. I would like to finish this video by inviting you to take that next step. If you ever wanted to get into gardening, now is a good opportunity as any. Don't be afraid, mistakes will happen, but the experience and all the rewards that come along with it will be totally worth it. I guarantee it. Take care, everybody. We will see you next time. And if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us at Stone River Nursery, either through Facebook or Instagram, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Take care, everybody. Happy New Year. Many blessings to you all.